Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome back to PEPE Update today. Check the top right of the video to know what private is, because I have opened up the private entry for September, and the sooner you join the better. So the thing is that PEPE at the moment is not doing so well. And before we even get into PEPE, yesterday I did actually post a trade idea, which is known for trade ideas here, and I posted rare. So this is rare basically, and it was actually down out over here, and if you look at rare, it is pretty much pumped like 30%. Okay, so this was something that if you were a trader you could have taken as well. So the trade ideas, again, this one did play out, and I always tell you, right, I'm going to keep sharing trade ideas, and I did one, I did for air, and I'm super happy that it actually started to move. Now the thing is that we still have a flag and move down, a bear flag, a break below the flag, and a retest right over there. Even worse is that you do have a spinning top right over here. Actually not a spinning top, but this is a shooting star, and the shooting star actually signifies that you might end up dropping down from these current prices. What I don't like about bonk is the following. Right now you might be focused on this smaller time frame and the pumps that is going on the smaller time frame, like 15 minutes and 5 minutes time frame. But the thing is that all the time frames are important, and especially when you check the weekly and the monthly, those are just as important as anything else. And what I don't really like is that as I spoke before, that the EMAs are getting lost. Okay, the 10 and the 20 are getting lost. This is something that I really do not like to see. And another thing is that even on the monthly, we are starting to, maybe there's only one good thing on the monthly, and that is you're holding the monthly EMA. That's the only good thing that you are looking at. But who knows, because you still have 10 days to close the monthly, and if in the next 10 days you just start to crawl a little bit lower, then it could actually be even worse in the next coming days. But the problem here is, I'm going to tell you, you see, yes, you're holding that monthly, but this month, August, should have been different from what is happening right now. If you do not understand what that means, I'm going to tell you. So you had one grid candle, and the next candle was red candle, and then from here you made another red candle, because these two are bearish candles. So after having the bearish candles, it's okay for the next one to be red. Now, when you made the red candle, this was a hammer right there, okay? That was almost like a hammer candle, and this hammer was meant for August to be green and not to be red, because the stop loss of the hammer has been taken away, which is a bad sign. All right, this was a reversal candle, it was in play, but for some reason you actually made it down the stop loss, like to the bottom of the candle itself, and that was not meant to happen, which actually gives me the vibes that we might actually see one more drop and shake off so many people, and then eventually pump back up. Because again, I do not trust September, and I do believe that from October onwards we might even actually get a nice good bull run. I'm pretty sure a lot of people are stressed out, depressed. I know, even I am, but I'm not really bothered, because I kind of get the script and what is going on, right? Because again, experience actually helps you understand what's going on. But if you're new, I know what you're thinking. I know you're like, oh no, is crypto dead or something like that. It happens, okay? It happens to all of us. And actually, the fact says that 80% of the time, crypto is actually pretty boring. So all I can say is that, again, even the daily time frame, I'm just going to go step by step here, and I'm just going to say that, 9008 is the safe zone. Okay, if we do see PEPE coming up to 9008, I do believe that's going to even pump a little bit higher to the upside. Now, as long as you're not coming at 9008, I'm really negative on this one. Sorry, man. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love you.